Hello, my dear Gamines. I'm happy to see you here on my channel. I hope you're doing well today. This lesson is all about directions. If you remember, in the previous lesson, we talked about places and prepositions of location. You also learned how to ask and answer the question, where is it? Today, we're going to get familiar with 4 basic phrases for giving directions. Go straight on, turn right, turn left, and go past. You will also learn another popular question we can ask when we want to find out how to get somewhere. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Number 1. Идите прямо. Идите прямо. Go straight on. Number 2. Поверните налево. Поверните налево. Turn left. Number 3. Поверните направо. Поверните направо. Turn right. Number 4. Пройдите мимо. Пройдите мимо. Go past. In this video, I'm going past the bridge. Number 1. Идите прямо. Go straight on. Number 2. Поверните налево. Turn left. Number 3. Поверните направо. Turn right. Number 4. Пройдите мимо. Go past. All of these verbs are in the imperative mood. We discussed this topic in lesson 19, part 1. When we explain to a stranger how to get somewhere in Russian, we need to use the «те» ending on verbs like «идите» or «поверните» to make the command polite and appropriate. In the previous lesson, you learned the question «Где это находится?» Where is it located? Today I'd like to introduce you to a new question. Как мне добраться до? How do I get to? In the question «Как мне добраться до?» the word «мне» can be omitted. Как добраться до? Добраться, to get. It's the perfective infinitive. After the question «Как мне добраться до?» the noun is used in the genitive case. For example, как мне добраться до бара? How do I get to the bar? Only метро remains unchanged because it doesn't decline by cases. For example, как мне добраться до метро? How do I get to the metro?
Exercise 1. Watch a short video and choose the correct phrase out of 4. And now, let's check your answers.
Number 1. Поверните налево. Turn left. Number 2. Пройдите мимо. Go past. Number 3. Идите прямо. Go straight on. Number 4. Поверните направо. Turn right. Exercise 2. Look at these pictures and answer the question. Как добраться до? Using direction phrases. Please use the prepositions of location from the previous lesson to provide more details about the place we're looking for. Note the red silhouettes of people. They show your position. For example, как добраться до железнодорожного вокзала? Answer. Идите прямо, поверните налево. Он находится рядом с рынком. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Как добраться до этого театра? Pause the video and answer the question. Check yourself. Answer. Идите прямо, поверните направо. Идите прямо, поверните направо. Он находится между банком и галереей. Number 2. Как добраться до этого ресторана? Pause the video and answer the question. Check yourself. Answer. Идите прямо, поверните налево, пройдите мимо парка, поверните налево. Он находится справа от больницы. Number 3. Как добраться до метро? Pause the video and answer the question. Check yourself. Answer. Идите прямо, поверните направо, пройдите мимо банка, поверните налево. Оно находится напротив кафе.
That is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this lesson helpful. I was happy to see you on my channel. See you next time. Пока!